Welcome to my kitchen. Look what I have here. Wow, that is crispy and delicious.
Welcome to Juli's kitchen, where every meal is made with love, cooking joy.
Hello, welcome back to my channel. Happy New Year to you all. I'm so excited to share a special dish with you today. Today, being our first episode in the year 2026, we are preparing one of my favorite dishes, fried yam with vegetable gizzard sauce. Recently, we saw a viral video going around about fried yam and Chef Abi's style of fried yam. So today, we are going to do exactly Chef Abi's fried yam. So without wasting much time, let's begin.
First, we'll start with our yam. Peel the yam carefully, removing the skin to reveal the smooth, starchy flesh underneath. Next, we cut the yam into thin, even strips. Try to make them as uniform as possible. Once sliced, give the yam strips a quick rinse under running water. This helps remove excess starch and keeps them from sticking together when frying. Now, let's parboil the yam. Place the yam strips into a pot of water, add a pinch of salt, cover and let it cook for just 2 minutes. Then, strain the water so the yam is ready for frying. Heat a generous amount of vegetable oil in a frying pan. Carefully drop the yam strips into the hot oil and listen to that beautiful sizzle. Fry until golden and crispy, then remove them and place them in a sieve to drain. While the yam is frying, let's prepare the vegetables for our green sauce. Wash the carrots, sweet peppers, spring onions, garlic and ginger thoroughly. Next, rinse the clean chicken gizzard under running water, making sure it's ready for seasoning and cooking. For the sauce, we'll blend habanero peppers, sweet peppers, onions, spring onions, garlic, ginger, and a pinch of nkete spice. Blend everything into a smooth, vibrant green sauce. In a frying pan, pour a generous amount of oil and heat it up, ready to cook our seasoned gizzard. In a new pan, pour some oil and add your freshly blended green sauce. Stir gently and let it cook, allowing all the flavors to come together. Now add the cooked gizzard into the sizzling green sauce and stir well so each piece is coated in the vibrant sauce. Finally, add the chopped carrots, sweet peppers, and spring onions to the sauce. Stir everything together, letting the colors and flavors combine beautifully. It's time to plate our dish. Serve the golden, crispy fried yam alongside the green gizzard vegetable sauce. Look at those colors. It's absolutely mouth-watering.
Thank you all for watching. I hope you are going to try this recipe. Trust me, it is very, very delicious. See you in my next episode. Until then, stay blessed. Bye!